Hello, and a very warm welcome to the Great North Gardener. I'm Albert, and I grow in a Zone 5 climate. This is a how-to guide, perfect for beginners, and we're sticking to easy-growing plants. If you've got shade, don't sweat it. Pick the right plants for the right spot and you're golden. People think full sun is a must. Truth is, loads of edibles actually prefer a bit of shade. Shade keeps leaves tender, slows bolting, and can even boost flavor. With our short summers and cold winters, fast forgiving crops shine in my Zone 5 patch. First up, lettuce, absolute king of the shade garden. Sow into loose compost mixed soil and keep it evenly moist. Harvest the outer leaves as you need them, and the plant just keeps on giving. Next up, spinach. Cool, partial shade stops it from bolting. Regular watering is key, especially as temps climb. It's versatile too. Salads, smoothies, or just a quick wilt in the pan. Pak choy, or bok choy, is brilliant in partial shade and super quick. Give it rich soil and steady moisture for tender, crunchy stems. Harvest whole or pick leaves as you go. Stir-fry heaven. Kale is the workhorse here, tough, shade-tolerant and tasty. A touch of frost actually sweetens the leaves. Magic. Just snap lower leaves to harvest. It grows for months. Chives are almost foolproof. Happy in light shade and back every year. Parsley and cilantro keep better flavor without full sun scorch. Pots make them easy to move. Keep soil damp, not soggy, and snippers needed all season. Got a truly shady woodland-like spot? Try wild garlic, ramps, if it's legal where you are. Only harvest if you're 100% sure of ID and allowed to do so. Forage responsibly. The flavor is bold, cracking in pestos and soups. Watch your shade. Dappled light, morning sun, or full shade changes what thrives. Blend in compost to improve structure, hold moisture, and feed plants. Water in the morning and mulch with leaves or straw to keep roots cool. Start small. A pot of lettuce and a clump of chives by the back door. Pop out, snip fresh greens, and enjoy. Shade can be your superpower. Tells us what you think in the comments and like and subscribe. Happy growing.